Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with just a little tip, I guess. I was trying to use up some paper and I only have a few bag toppers dies here. These are the 4 that I do have, and I don't use them as often because I've used them so much, I guess. I'm not sure. But I was watching someone's video and the bag topper kind of looked like this. And I was like, I have a die that looks like that. A circle die or whatever. So then I started looking through all my dies and found some that I could just cut out and fold in half to make a bag topper. So I just made a bunch of bases because I was just making sure that they would be a bag topper shape that I would like. But yeah, so you can do the same thing. So like this one is this bag topper here. So just to be versatile with your dies. Here's another. And then this one is the square one. Here. And then this one is this one. And then I made a smaller one as well. But yeah, another thing, everyone always asks me about what I use to store my dies on. And these are just magnetic vent covers. I get them from Home Depot. They come like this, a pack of 3. They're white on one side and the magnetic, white on one side, magnetic on the other. I wonder, no, they don't stick too well on the white side, but they do on the magnetic side. So yeah, they come in a pack of 3. I get 9 out of a pack, and the I pay like $5.20 for them, I think. Yeah, $5.20, 8 inches by 15 inches long. So if you need them smaller, you can. The pocket sizes that I use, the sleeves, those fit perfectly in them. So yes. So yeah, that's just a little tip I wanted to share. Hope you guys are having a crafty day. Welcome everyone. I'm glad you're here. If you're new, click the subscribe button below so you can be notified when I do upload videos. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.